terrorists are saying they are asking for the identity that who is a Muslim and who is Hindu. Now, why is the blame coming on the people of Kashmir? Why are people being demonized?
It's not.
Why it is being said that Kashmiris are hand in glove with the terrorists?
Who said that?
Not at all.
Everybody,
Who said that on this
that's
show?
what actually being
Who has said that on this show? You are the one who's spreading hate. We did not use. We are saying Pakistan.
1 minute.
We are saying Pakistan. Sohail said.
1 minute. 1 minute. Advocate, with due respect, I don't know which television program you are on today, but we never used 3 words. We never said Kashmiris are responsible. We have never said that we even suspect our Kashmiri brothers and sisters, and we have only maintained it's Pakistan. That's what I said in my opening remarks. I did not even use the word Kashmiris. A. B. How much does the Congress party actually begin to hate India? You tell me. If tourism has benefited the valley, isn't it something to be happy about? Because it has benefited our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. It has benefited people. 1 minute, I didn't interrupt you. I didn't interrupt you. I can filibuster better than you can.
On the cost of lives
The
of
point
people.
you're making is, your problem is you are basically unhappy with the progress that this country is making. Your designated brand ambassador, Robert Vadra, is making the most stupid comments. In fact, by talking about divisiveness at a critical time such as this, you are unnecessarily deflecting from the real issue. And the real issue is as follows. Pakistan inflicts terror on India. It inflicts terror in the geography of Kashmir. Kashmir belongs and is a valuable part of India. Those
And
who
government
think
will
otherwise
cry.
are not
There is
Indian.
no accountability.
Huh?
There is no accountability.
Huh?
You are talking
What?
that government should not be made accountable.
Of course it should be made accountable. Who has said that?
So talk
Why
about
do you
it.
put words in people's mouth? Who are
talk
you, an
about it.
oracle?
No, no.
You're putting words in our mouth. Of course
Okay,
government is accountable.
government must be held accountable, and that's exactly the question we are asking. But I want to ask you, should Mr. Robert Vadra just shoot his mouth off? Does he have a license to just say anything that he wants to? And I want to ask Shaukia Qureshi, spokesperson of the PDP. Shaukia Qureshi ji, does Ms. Mehbooba Mufti have any confusion on who's responsible for this terror attack in Pahalgam? Is there a confusion that she dithers from taking names of Pakistan?
जी ऐसा तो कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है जब तक कि सरकार की तरफ से कोई इसमें कोई पुष्टि ना हो जाए कि किसने अटैक किया है, किस तरह से हुआ है। देखिए, अगर हम एजेंसीज की बात करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं ये खबरें भी आ रही हैं कि हमारी इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी जानती थी कि कोई ऐसा बड़ा अटैक होने वाला है। अगर एजेंसीज ये सब जानती थी, हमारी इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी को इस चीज की खबर थी, तो फिर इतना बड़ा सिक्योरिटी लैप्स कैसे हो सकता था? देखिए, सिक्योरिटी की कमी जो है वो जरूर रही है। यहाँ पे अगर इनको पता था,
know if Pakistan is involved or not, but they know that our security agencies knew this was happening.
ये नहीं कह पा रहा है
पाकिस्तान की इन्वॉल्वमेंट
क्रॉस बॉर्डर की पाकिस्तान इसके पीछे है और पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ जवाब देना चाहिए। आपको हमसे सवाल पूछना है, पूछिए।
नहीं, तो जवाब देना चाहिए तो ऑपोजिशन के लिए तो आप इंतजार नहीं कर रहे हैं ना कि ऑपोजिशन बोलेगी तो आप जवाब देंगे।
बिल्कुल नहीं कर रहे। 10 दिन के अंदर पुलवामा का जवाब दिया था, 10 दिन के अंदर उरी का जवाब दिया था, 24 घंटे बीत गए, 7 दिन के समय इंतजार करिए। मोदी जी की सरकार है, इनके जैसे डॉजियर नहीं खेलेगी। पर आज के राजनीति करने का दिन है कि आज एक शब्द नहीं बोल सकते पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ।